The Clover Dining app helps restaurants manage tables and orders. You can create a floor plan to match your restaurant layout and keep track of which tables are seated, number of guests, and their orders. Here, we'll take you through the initial setup of your restaurant in the Clover Dining app and create your restaurant floor plan. To create a floor plan, you can use your Clover Station, Mobile, or Mini. We'll go ahead and use the Station 2018. First, we'll install the Clover Dining app on your Clover device. Go to More Tools and search for Clover Dining and install the app. Open the Clover Dining app and tap Let's Get Started. Then Continue to begin creating your floor plan. Before you begin adding tables, decide what sections you'll need. For example, you can create sections for the main dining area, patio, and backyard. To add a section, tap the green plus button, then tap Add Section, enter the name of the section, and save. The Bar and More section is for bar tabs and any other types of orders that aren't served at a table. You can rename this section to Bar, To Go, Catering, anything you'd like. Once you've set up your sections, start adding tables to your floor plan. On the bottom right, tap the green plus button, then Add Table to begin adding tables to your floor plan. Enter the name in the table field, select a shape, and add seats. Then tap Save to finish. Now you see the table added to the center of the floor plan. Drag the table to the right location. You can also resize the image by dragging from the blue icon. Continue to create the tables you need. When you're done creating your floor plan, choose Complete Setup. You're all set. But you can always come back later to make changes. Just tap the menu icon, then Edit Floor Plan. To learn more about setting up, go to clover.com/help.